Hello everyone and welcome back to Cute Crafts and Crochet. My name is Sri and in today's video I am going to be showing you how I make these big fluffy pom-poms for my hats. So let's get started. For this you will need a piece of cardboard folded in half. Your cardboard should be as wide as you want the diameter of your pom-pom to be. Then I am going to wrap my yarn around the cardboard. I am taking 2 strands at a time to make this process go faster. And also if you use 2 different colors of strands here, you can make a very pretty dual colored pom-pom. The more times you wrap around your yarn, the fluffier your pom-pom will be. I aim for around 100 to 150 to make the fluffiest pom-poms. Here I have wrapped it around 150 times. Now I am going to tie them in place. Take a piece of yarn and fold it in half. Then you are going to feed this underneath all these loops. A crochet hook is best for this. Slide it under all the loops. Take the yarn from the other side and pull it through. Then you are going to make a tight knot in the middle. Make it as tight as you possibly can. Twisting the yarn around each other a few times like this helps for the knot to hold. Add a dab of fabric glue for better hold. Repeat the same thing on the other side. After doing that, take the yarn off the cardboard and one final time wrap the 2 tails of the previously made knot around and make a very tight knot. This knot is what is going to hold all the threads in place. And now it's time for the fun part of cutting up the pom-pom. Cut all these loops in half from the middle. And repeat the same thing on the other side. After doing that, you are going to want to give your pom-pom a quick shake. Trim away any of the straggly bits that making the pom-pom look uneven. Take your time trimming up your pom-pom and that is it. Now it's time to attach this on top of your beautiful hat. Thanks so much for watching.